Our top story. Over 150 lawsuits have been filed against Philips due to the potential health risks caused by their CPAP machines, a common prescription for patients dealing with sleep apnea. As of fall 2022, a majority of these lawsuits are being compiled into a multi-district legislation in Pennsylvania, but many individual cases are also being filed against Philips all over the country. The FDA claims that the polyester-based foam used in the CPAP machines can deteriorate over time and release harmful particles into the airways. The chemicals in these particles have toxic side effects, which have been previously linked to multiple forms of cancer. You should consult your own doctor before making any sudden changes to your personal routine, but you deserve to be fairly compensated. The lawyers at Davis, Saperstein, and Solomon have over 35 years of experience involving recalled devices and injuries. For a free consultation, contact us at 201-444-4444. We're here to get the justice you deserve. Stay tuned for more on this developing story.